Welcome today in front of me Realme Pad, and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification bar, and right there on the left down corner of your notification panel you'll see the edit icon. Just tap there, and as you can see right now we got all our available icons. From this section you can add the icon to your notification bar to make them visible. And you can make this by this way. Just hold for a while and drag it here to this upper section. By the same way we can add here, for example, the screen recorder icon. And if you wanna just remove some icons from your notification bar, just by the same way hold and drag it here to this down section by this way. And if you want also, you can just change the positions of the icons. Just hold and drag here to this section or to the position where you want to just put this icon. So, and then just go back to save all the changes, and as can you see, that's really simple. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.